All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're looking at a tool that is, and I don't say this lightly, set to completely change the way you approach the markets. If you've ever been looking for a real data-backed edge, you're going to want to stick around for this.
So let me ask you something. Are you just exhausted from staring at charts for hours on end, second-guessing every single move you make, feeling that analysis paralysis where you're so overwhelmed you just do nothing? Yeah, if you're nodding along, trust me, you are not alone. It's a feeling every trader has to fight. And that feeling, that whole struggle, that's what we call the trader's dilemma. It's really the core set of challenges that keep so many talented people from finding the consistency they're looking for.
Let's be real for a second. For most people, trading feels like trying to find your way through a giant maze, but with the lights turned off. You're constantly battling your own emotions. You're pouring hours and hours of your life into it, and you face the simple fact that it is humanly impossible to analyze enough charts to consistently find those A-plus setups. It's a perfect recipe for burnout and just missed opportunities.
But what if you could just flip a switch and turn on the lights? What if someone handed you a map for that maze? Well, that's where we stop talking about the problem and start looking at the solution. Let's talk about what it means to have your own personal AI analyst.
So here it is, the Ascend Forex AI Smart Charts Scanner. Now, I want you to really focus on that phrasing. This isn't just another flashy indicator you slap on your chart. No way. This is a personal trading analyst. It's truly a world first, designed to be your best friend in the markets, working tirelessly for you 24/7 whenever you need it. And check out these superpowers. First, on-demand signals. You can get a high-probability setup with a full analysis for less than $1 a scan. It's incredible. Next, and this is huge, multi-timeframe consensus. The AI isn't just looking at the 15-minute chart, it's checking the hourly, the 4-hour, the daily, to make sure everything's aligned. It's like getting 3 expert opinions in a split second. Then you've got smart risk management baked right in, with stop-loss and take-profit suggestions. It also has market condition awareness. It knows if we're trending or chopping sideways. And maybe best of all, continuous performance tracking. The AI is always learning, always refining, always aiming to get smarter.
Okay, so all of that sounds amazing, right? But talk is one thing. Let's look at the actual data. Because the numbers, well, the numbers don't lie. This is where you really see the AI edge.
Just look at that number on your screen, 92%. Let that sink in for a second, because that single figure, that could be a total game changer for your trading. So what is it? That 92% is the historical win rate that traders using this AI have achieved. Now go ahead and compare that to, well, pretty much any other trading stat you've ever seen. You start to realize this isn't just a small step forward, this is a giant leap.
And this table just lays it all out, black and white. Your average retail trader, their win rate is about 47%. It's basically a coin flip. The AI-powered trader, 92%. How about your time? Forget 25+ hours glued to a screen. We're talking 2 to 3 hours a week. And look at the analysis power. A human might get through, what, a dozen charts a day? The AI scans over 2,400. And maybe the most important number on here, 0 emotional errors. 0. It completely takes the fear, the greed, the hesitation right out of the equation.
You see, this isn't just a small upgrade to your toolkit. It's a full-blown revolution in how we can approach trading. So the only question is, how do you get in on it? Just think about it. The old way is all about those long, stressful hours, the emotional guesswork, and that awful feeling that you're always missing the big moves. The new way? It's about efficiency. It's about spending a couple of hours a week making calm, confident decisions based on data-driven signals that pop up when you're ready. It's about getting your time and your sanity back.
And this thing is built for everybody. If you're just starting out, you can use it to actually learn what a great setup looks like and build real confidence. If you're already an active trader, you can let the AI do all the heavy lifting, all the boring scanning, so you can focus on what you do best, pulling the trigger. And if you're a busy professional, man, this is perfect. You get top-tier signals that actually fit into your life.
So the AI Smart Chart Scanner is coming very, very soon, and this is your shot to get in on the ground floor. Being one of the first people to have a tool like this, well, that's a serious advantage. The move is simple. Get your name on that waitlist.
When you join the waitlist, you get priority access. You'll get to use it before the general public even knows what's happening. You're not just signing up for a tool, you're putting yourself at the very front of this trading revolution. And it's super easy to join. Just contact the admin on Telegram at the address right there on your screen, t.me/ascendforex1.
If there's one idea I want to leave you with, it's this. The whole era of grinding it out for hours and hours for uncertain results, it's over. It is time to stop trading hard and finally start trading smart. Let the technology do the heavy lifting for you.
Let me be crystal clear. A tool like this isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. It's the difference between wandering around in that dark maze and having a GPS that guides you right to your destination. The future of trading is officially here. So the only real question left is, are you ready to use it to get ahead and stay ahead of the markets?